Hi there! Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're focusing on something perfect for beginners: super simple sentences. These sentences are easy to understand, easy to use, and incredibly useful for building your confidence when speaking English. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create and practice simple sentences that you can use in everyday conversations. Let's get started. Simple sentences are the building blocks of English. They help you communicate your thoughts clearly and effectively, even if you're just starting to learn. Mastering simple sentences will give you the foundation to express yourself and gradually move on to more complex structures. Here are some examples of simple sentences you can start using today. I eat breakfast. She likes coffee. She likes black coffee. The sky is blue. The sky is very blue today. They live in New York. They live in New York City. Here are a few more examples of sentences you can use in daily life. I'm happy. He works hard. We like pizza. The book is on the table. These sentences are simple, but they cover essential topics like feelings, actions, likes, and locations. Once you're comfortable with basic sentences, try adding small variations. Instead of I like apples, say, I really like apples. Instead of she is tired, say, she is very tired. This will help you sound more natural and expressive. Tip 1. Use them in conversations. When talking to friends, family, or language partners, stick to simple sentences. For example, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Tip 2. Describe your day. Practice by describing your day out loud or in writing. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I go to work at 9 a.m. I eat lunch at noon. Tip 3. Listen and repeat. Listen to simple conversations in English from TV shows, podcasts, or videos, and repeat what you hear. Focus on pronunciation and rhythm. Tip 4. Write down 5 sentences daily. Every day, write 5 simple sentences about your life or your surroundings. This builds both your vocabulary and confidence. Tip 5. Shadowing practice. Repeat simple sentences immediately after hearing them from a native speaker. For example, the dog is cute. This helps improve your fluency and pronunciation. Quick recap. Start with simple sentence structures like I eat or she likes coffee. Add details or small variations to make sentences more expressive. Practice by describing your day or using sentences in conversations. Listen and repeat sentences to improve your pronunciation. Write down daily sentences to build confidence and vocabulary. Simple sentences are the foundation of fluency. With daily practice, you'll be able to communicate clearly, feel more confident, and take your English skills to the next level. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more practical and fun English lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll stay motivated and discover new ways to improve your English step by step. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.